Happy Sunday, everybody. So it is an intense game going on behind me. If you're a Cowboys fan, put your thumbs up. It is such a good game starting now. So I have got a great recipe. If you are a football fan like me and your team's playing today, this is like high stakes game. It's like we want our Cowboys to win this game today. But today what I have going on in the crock pot is we are going to put our sweet potatoes in there. And these are fresh green beans. So put your green beans in there. And then I have some mushrooms. We're going to put our mushrooms in there. And then we have our chicken. So I am putting 3 chicken breasts in there. Wash my hands. I hate handling chicken and then talking to you guys. So it is about a cup of chicken broth in here. And then I am going to put some crushed red pepper. I just sprinkle some in there like that. And then I use my Himalayan salt just to, season it as you want. I don't measure it. I just put it in there. And then I put it in the crock pot for low for maybe 6 hours. Or I'll put it on high for 4 hours. So you can do either one. It is amazing. It tastes so good. So all it is your chicken breast. I put mushrooms. You don't have to put that in there. Sweet potatoes and green beans and your chicken broth. Season it however you want. I put crushed red pepper in there with my Himalayan salt. It is so good. It is like an easy meal in one. Put a salad together with it, and it is so, so good. So if you love recipes, you want more like that, come over to our Fulfilled After 55 women's group. We have a 21-day program that's starting January 1st. You're going to have amazing, easy meals. You don't have to think about anything. A journal mailed to you in your home, so we can journal. You're going to eat good. You're going to learn how to drink your water, track your water. So sign up today so that journal can get mailed to you and you can start your 2019 on the right track. All right, guys, that is your Sunday recipe for today. Enjoy the game. It is going to be so good. But have an awesome, amazing Sunday. Say some kind words to somebody as you are out and about today. Have a great day.